If you want to repair everything that you have, all you need to go to your browser, type in iFixit.com. iFixit.com. You type in, and when it's load, wait for it to load. iFixit.com. That is the secret website that some people won't tell you. You never take broken for an answer, because you're gonna repair everything that is around you. You see camera, appliances, electronics, household, MacBook, PC, scale, tablet, vehicle, everything. Let's touch phone and see. You will see the categories: Apple or Android. Let's choose Apple for instance. Choose iPhone. Then you move on to let's choose let us use iPhone. Let us use iPhone 6s. Let us use iPhone 6s for instance. And use 6s for instance. You see the guide. If you want to repair everything, the battery, you can repair how to fix the battery, the camera range, serial antenna, AP, speed, front camera, home accessories, LCD, lighting, logic board, power button cover, rear camera, rear case, SIM tray, screen, speaker, tapping engine, everything of any component in the phone. You can replace, you can repair it yourself. They will teach you with a guide. It's everything that you need to know about assembling or dismantling iPhone 6s. You see, any type of an iPhone is there. Any type of an iPhone. You see, you can use to. Let's take the battery for instance. If you want to replace the battery, or when you read all this introduction, it will teach you a lot. You see, firstly you need to remove that screw over there. You need to get J clamp. The instruction, you follow it up so that you can replace it simply and basically. You see, when you scroll, you see everything over there. Tips and guide you will use to assemble or dismantle your phone and repair it yourself, do it yourself. You see, when you open it, you see everything over there. And they'll even recommend the tools you will use. When you don't have, you need to buy it. You see, you need to buy it. You don't have, you need to buy it. And let's go back and take another thing for instance. Let's go back.